Hindi, malaking kawalan sa akin. Mag-aaral naman ako, saan tayo kikita ng pangita? Kung walang turista, walang pera. Ano?
Pag nag-close na yung Boracay, siguro hirap na po ako. Saan ko po kukunin yun? Hindi ko alam. Saan ko kukunin ng pera na yun na panggasto ko araw-araw?
Dahil kung mawawala ang bisita, marami kami. Hindi lang ako, marami kami. Oh. Yan, oh. Yan nagsapalibot niyan. Kasamaan natin yan sa hanap buhay.
Hindi lang sa wala silang sasaingin, kundi anong ipapabaon sa mga anak nila sa pag pinasara yung Boracay.
Pag sa akin lang, sir, halimbawa, pag nasarado yung Boracay, siyempre mawawalan kami ng trabaho. Pag sa amin lang, hindi kami papayag. Siyempre, kahit piso lang yung kinikita namin sa baybay, pag halimbawa, pag may isara yung Boracay, siyempre lugi din kami. Paano yung pagkain namin araw-araw?
So ngayon, kung halimbawang magkaroon po ng time na hindi kami ang makapagtrabaho, so paano po namin maibibigay yung pangangailangan namin ng sa mga anak namin?
If we're closed for 6 months and you're just, the money is just going out, right? And we will pay for as long as we can, but everybody reaches this point where you just don't have the funds to upkeep. So I have no idea what's going to happen.
Breadwinner din po kami, kasi ako sa pamilya ko at may pinapaaral akong kapatid. Parang mas mahirap po sa akin kung paano, kung saan kami kukuha ng pangtustos dahil sa pamilya namin.
If everything is closed, where do they go? Do they go to the mainland? Do they go, makikipagsapalaran ba sila sa Maynila, sa Iloilo, sa Bacolod?
Mga business na nagninegosyo dyan sa Boracay, makasarili. Sarili lang nila iniisip nila. Pahingihin nyo naman yung Boracay, babalik din yan. O andun tayo, ako gusto ko rin naman ng ganun eh. Kaya lang sa 6 months, paano? Anong gagawin namin sa 6 months? Saan kami kukuha ng kakain?
We order vegetables from Baguio, we order things from Cebu, we order everywhere. You know, so it's not only us benefits the tourism in Boracay, it's the whole Philippines, or even in fact, the whole world.
So imagine the effects of all those other businessmen from Kalibo who are supplying us also. Diba? It's not just us, it's a whole slew of people.
Kalibo will suffer, Iloilo will suffer, Rojas will suffer, Cebu will suffer, Manila will suffer. The whole Philippines. Yeah.
Well, actually kami ng mga residente dito, gusto namin talaga proteksyonan ng environment, no? Yun talaga yung purpose natin. Yung sa Boracay Foundation nga, yung sinasabi, preserve what we have and restore what we lost. Kaso lang, ang nangyari dito, yung mga infrastructure na nilagay din ng ating gobyerno, parang hindi natapos. Ang nangyari kasi, putol-putol yung project. Phase 1, Phase 2, mga ganon. So it will take years and years bago matapos. But then kung talagang ma-focus natin, kung naging maganda yung project sana from the start, siguro hindi nagkaganito yung problema.
Kung pinoproblema nila yung traffic dito, mas traffic sa Manila. Kung pinoproblema nila yung madumi daw, mabaho daw, kahit saan ka naman pumunta, meron naman pong ganon. Maaayos naman po siguro yan, pero hindi po yung ipapasara talaga yung Boracay.
In many ways, like, we are happy that finally they are listening and coming down to work on things, but the way they are going about it is maybe not the right way.
We fought like years and years and nobody was listening to us, no one. And now they came. We finally got their attention, but the attention that is too much. They want to wipe us all out.
Ilang taong pinaglaban ng Malay noon na nag-ask sa national government na tulungan naman yung island. Walang ginawa. Alam mo yun na halos lahat na lang inimbitahan mo, ginawa mo ng guest speaker para directly makausap yung mga sa national government. So parang walang nangyayari.
When they told us we're doing this for you, I said, yeah, you're doing this for us, but we'll be gone. We will be gone. The people that fought for this beach will be all gone. Sad.
It's just frustrating to see that this is sort of the result of what people have invested like their life into, no? Na yeah, like after asking for help, after doing our parts, after doing 100 different little things, that we've come to this point that we're just gonna get shut down, right? That's, yeah, that sucks.
It's unfair that we've been generalized as greedy business owners and that we're all at fault, you know. Ano nangyari sa isla, kasalanan nyo lahat yan. Isara nyo na yan. I'm like, oh guys.
Isipin nila yung ano, yung kami, tayo, yung nasa baba. Kung anong mararamdaman nila kung ganun nangyari. Magkabaliktad yung ano, yung estado namin. Kung sila naman dito, kami din sa taas. Puro lang sila comment ng ganito, ganyan, ay, pasaran yung Boracay, ganito, ganyan. Hindi nila alam kung ilang libong pamilya magugutom. Automatic yun.
Lahat ng bagay hindi pwedeng minamadali. Step by step. Pwedeng step by step yun eh. Portion by portion. Hindi na may ibig sabihin, buong station 1 i-close muna, buong station 2 i-close muna. Pwedeng maliit na portion muna, dahan-dahan eh. Kasi napakaliit lang mga ang Boracay.
Come in, evaluate every area, see where are the problems, and I do believe DNR is doing some of that work now.
Sa akin lang po, gusto ko sana portion lang. Yung halimbawa, unahin po nila yung manok-manok hanggang station 3. Yun lang muna yung i-rehabilitate nila.
Bring the problem to us, include us in the dialogue, in the discussion, because we can help. We are here eh. Hindi naman kami lahat violators eh, di ba?
Kasi when people are primed, when they know what's going to happen, even the most bitter pill is easier to swallow, di ba? We know we're going to have to stop at some point, but we need time to fix everything, time to readjust, time to look for other things to do also, di ba? Parang wala kasing consultation with the people who actually are going to be affected.
Tapos i-rehabilitate nila ng unti-unti, wag naman biglaan. Kasi kung biglaan nila, parang nakakatakot. Hindi ko alam what it pagbalik, pwede pa ba kami? O baka yung mga malalaking negosyante na lang pala ang pwede sa Boracay?
The optimist in me tells me things are gonna get better. It will take a while though.
And we will come to some sort of solution that works for the environment, for the people who work here, for the island, right? End of the day, for Boracay.